going?
We're going
Look at the lens.
We're going to South Africa.
No, we're not.
First, we're going to stop in Miami first. Then we're going to go to South Africa. We're going to Miami. First time. Looking forward to it. I'm hoping I get to see Rick Ross out there. That's fun.
Yeah, but he might not be there.
I'm hoping.
Okay.
You know, I'm going to start following him on his social media.
Okay.
Then I'm going to tell him I'm going to be there.
Okay.
Maybe he might just come out.
Just for you.
Just for me.
Alright.
What's out in Florida? Pitbull.
They're gonna come just for you.
T-Pain.
So they're gonna come just for you.
Is you with me now? Then biggie bounce. I know you dig the way I switch my style. People sing around. The people gather round. The people jump around. Get your freak on. 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 Get your freak on.
That's the room. How do you open these blinds? Oh, this thing right here? You just, I'm trying to get a picture of the bed, babe. Can you please move your stuff? Will you? No, go away. This is the bed, nice wallpaper, walk in. Cute little bathroom. Okay, has a standing shower. And then a nice fully length mirror for my pictures. Yes. We're here in Miami. Had to put on this filter. Don't know if it's doing anything, but we reached Miami. What up to all my Miami people? How y'all doing? I'm here, shutting the town down. Big up on yourself.
Then hopefully before the end of the year,
You're recording. What am I recording? That we're tipsy?
South Beach, Miami. This one is a little bit, just a little bit tipsy. Off one drink, mind you.
No.
How many drinks?
3. I had a pina colada, and I had the beer, and then this painkiller. I'm not tipsy, I'm just loosey-goosey, you know, just
Okay, so she's just feeling good right now. Yeah.
just man.
But we're gonna go, we're dancing. We're gonna go downstairs and get some food for her so that she can drink a little more. It's still recording. just so you know, it's still recording. It's done for.
Yeah, take a picture.
come on, Ginger, don't do me like that, Ginger. Oh no, Ginger.
We step back.
The Trinity youth faster take them.
Yo, what's going on here, boy? What really going on here, boy? I have to choose one of these things again.
Do not let it come back around to me. look.
It's trying to be super scientific.
Oh, I can't
It's like
see.
it's gonna drop. I know. It's just like I don't know which.
You did it? You're so wrong. I don't want to come back around to me. You better. That's too close to the top.
I think you got it. I think you
That's
got
too close to the top. All right, fine. Go ahead.
Push it back some more.
No, I'm not
Push it back
playing.
some more. Push it back some more.
I'm not playing.
Push it through your
We
way.
not go. No. Nope.
Woo!
You know what they...
So I'm gonna fix that now. Can I fix it?
Push it back in. You gotta fix it because I'm not fixing it. And I'm not playing after this.
What kind of sport are you?
Don't worry about it. I'm not playing after this. Lord have mercy.
That what I'm saying, eh? That is how I display it.
This one right here.
Don't know.
Play like that.
Oh, just slide it out.
I'm too tipsy. My head. Nah. Nope.
You got
You
it.
try this. Nope.
All right, before you pull it.
Here you go, Keisha. Good luck.
May the force be with you.
Go ahead, look.
Supposed to be your friend.
That's what I thought. But clearly,
You can get that one.
this one.
Just go one, look, this one.
This one?
One
I'm
side.
supposed to be helping her.
Use your thumb and kind of flick it out some. You can get it.
It's
Good.
turning.
And then
It's
all
turning
of
that way.
What you want me to do? Keep going.
You can't help her. Keisha, Keisha, Jenga, Jenga, Keisha, Keisha. Ooh, I see it shaking.
It's your fault.
How? How? How?
You take that one.
Because that's what I needed.
Why would you take that?
That's what I needed.
Why would she do that?
Why would you do that?
What,
All
why?
the finger pieces out
Why would you do
there.
that?
That's what I needed.
For why?
Because for why, that's what I needed. Why is this one on my phone? On my phone. Going through my Instagram feed. Where's your phone? Ma'am, where's your phone?
Huh?
Can I get my phone back?
Oh, give me a moment.
Lord, you were.
Just push the button and then push forward until it releases. There you go.
Hurricane?
Oh yeah, I gotta hold your sunglasses for you? Alright, let me hold it.
It's about to go down.
Alright, it's about to go down. Give me the sunglasses.
You're so petty. Stop it.
Jamal just reading.
Right?
Just reading for his life.
His face.
Yeah, from that direction, I think you can get it from that direction. Nah, it didn't work? Okay, I'm sorry. Real cute, real flowy.
Yes. They're just, what they used to call them?
Hammer pants?
Yeah. And I thought we were riding bikes, so I got my, what they call these?
Manila.
Skippies.
Skip it. Okay. Give us a twirl. Really cute. Okay, my turn. My turn. My turn.
Outfit of the day.
Wait, the bathing suit. Not part. It's the bathing suit. Kind of. My Dora the Explorer bag.
Cute bag. Mm-hmm.
Looking like a thought.
The shoes are real cute. Let me see the shoes. It's a classy thought. I like the
Classy
earrings too.
Oh, my son bought me these.
Oh, they're so cute.
Nah, man.
Oh, they done it. They finished. They finished. They mad. They so. So we're not riding bikes today?
Yeah, I don't want to.
All right.
I'm gonna have a $30 bike cost me hundreds of dollars to take this old fine.
And jail time.
Yeah, it says stealing that bike is a felony, so.
Oh, we don't need that. This what's going down now?
Oh, you coming? I'm out here to get. Telling you.
Are you vlogging?
No. Yes. What are you buying?
I'm gonna put these on so I don't keep dragging them.
Oh, okay. I think, what size you get? I think so.
Extra large right now.
Oh, he said he tried it. We're about to go parasailing. Don't know how I'm feeling about it. I hate heights, but they want to go parasailing, so we'll see how that works out. Wish us luck. So we get ready to go parasailing. I'm nervous. Keisha is very nervous.
We're gonna be that high right now.
We're not gonna be that high, stop. Keisha is extremely nervous.
Why you gotta pull me out?
Because I'm nervous, I still am nervous too.
But I have to be extremely nervous.
I am terrified. Terrified. But we're gonna stack it up and do it. The guys are with it. The guys are fine. But we are a little bit terrified. So this is fun.
Well, you trying to do a girls trip right now?
Oh my God.
You gonna pee on folks?
Shaking it! Woo! Okay, just in parasailing, it was awesome. Now Keisha and Jeremiah is up there. Scared on my life, but I did it.
Me and Tim are living high since 20 years ago. What the dealio? Now what the drillio? If you wanna battle me, then let me know. I know you feel me now. I know you hear me loud. I scream it loud and proud. Missy gon' blow it down. People gon' play me now. In and out of town. Cause I'm the best around.
She talked me into getting the piercing.
Lies.
She's also trying to get me to get a tattoo.
Lies.
Well, we're doing the piercing now.
I didn't talk her into anything.
She was supposed to do the piercing with me and she's not.
Talk your stuff.
Thank you.
Goodbye. I got this. And don't hurt, son. Just a snip, snip, snip.
I hope it's not a snip.
I mean a poke, poke, poke.
Okay, it's better.
Sterilizing everything.
Oh.
Just like making sure it's good. We want to watch the sterilization. You're just so nonchalant to it all.
I want to see that single tear come down the eye.
Actually, I didn't want to cry. Like, needles don't scare me. I don't know why. Soft spot. Just don't show me the needle back. I don't want to see it.
Oh, she didn't even flinch.
Oh.
Well, I have to remind myself that
Exactly. Got it? Okay, now she looking at rings. Let's see what she gets. I don't know, her nose. I'll tell you, Miami's turning us out. And so here's how the piercing looks. I'm happy. I've always wanted to get it done. Always been too scared, so I don't know why. But I finally did it. I'm really, really happy. We did a lot in Miami, you guys. Hair's looking crazy. I have to do it when I get back. The major thing was I went parasailing. I don't think I've ever thought in my life that I would ever go parasailing. Like, I'm terrified. Terrified of heights. But I did it. I had a good time. And I got my ears pierced again. So it was a fun trip. Keisha is definitely a fun person to hang out with. The whole crew was a lot of fun. I know I didn't get to vlog everything. So at some points I was literally like too drunk, or we're too wrapped up enjoying each other's company to like break the camera out, you know? With people, you're having a good time, you don't want to always have the camera out. But it was lit, it was real. So this is our last day. I'll be in the cut. We're about to just have some fun for today and then hopping our flight to New York tonight. Miami, Gabrielle.